Hi everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I'm welcoming you guys. तो आज कुछ है मेरे पास डिस्कस करने के लिए एंड दैट इज एक्चुअली पहले तो मैं एक चीज़ बता दूं कि मैं इतना आप बोल सकते हो कि कुछ ओपिनियंस क्यों नहीं है. आई मीन आई डू हैव ओपिनियंस बट समटाइम्स आई जस्ट मेरे दिमाग में कभी कभी ब्लैंक हो जाता हूँ, कभी कभी फॉग आ जाता है. It's just like I don't, because I don't talk to most of the pupils. I mean, I just talk to my mom and dad and my brothers. That's it. But yesterday I encountered a guy who would be almost, I guess, 18 से 19 साल का होगा वो. uh, he is my cousin by the way. तो मैंने उसको देखा उसका what was the mindset of his, कि क्या mindset है, वो किस तरीके से चीज़ों को अडेप्ट करता है या किस तरीके का इसका माइंडसेट है. दैट्स ऑल आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो. आई हैव टॉक टू हिम एंड आई जस्ट फाइंड इट आउट दैट कि वो बहुत बहुत पीछे चल रहा है. ऐसी काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं जो उसको पता ही नहीं है बंदे को वो कर क्या रहा है. और आई गेस, बट नो 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 नो, आई वॉज नॉट लाइक दैट एट ऑल. देयर वर सम रूल्स सिंस माई चाइल्डहुड. मैं बचपन से ही ऐसा बच्चा रहा हूँ जो जिसके बचपन से ही कुछ रूल्स थे जो मैंने कभी नहीं तोड़े. इन वन ऑफ दोज रूल्स कम्स, एक रूल ऐसा भी आता है जो कि है, आज मैं उसी रूल के बारे में बात करूंगा, जो कि है लड़की, गर्ल्स. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट आई एम गे और bisexual. No, no, not at all. I am straight. I like girls a lot. बट अगर कोई लड़की आके बोले मुझसे कि तुम्हें ये करना है जो कि मेरे रूल के खिलाफ हो, या मुझे लगे कि शी इज मैनिपुलेटिंग मी, आई अपार्ट माई सेल्फ from her. Every time, every single time, I have not compromised my rules. You can say it is not rules, it just matches with my respect, because whenever I feel that I am, you know, getting disrespected, I feel I'm getting manipulated because of some reasons of those girls. I apart myself from those girls. मैं कभी भी uh, I don't know, but I don't fall in manipulation with girls, because there was a time जहाँ पे मैंने I faced a lot of issues with girls in initial stage of my time when I started dating. Uh, my experience was not good, and that is why I made these rules. And since then, I am very happy. And it's not like that about this rule. This rule only, I have a lot of, uh, you can say, a mindset of some things for some particular things. Uh, but today we are going to discuss about this only. There are multiple. I'll talk later after some time. So, uh, it's just my advice to those guys who are in a age of between uh, 12 to 18, 20 max. I am 23 by the way. I am not that old, but मैंने ये चीज़ बहुत पहले ही रियलाइज़ कर ली थी जब मैं आई गेस 10th में या 11th में था. आई हैव फेस्ड मैनी इशूज विद गर्ल्स. आई वाज नॉट comfortable because there were some issues. I would talk in some other video. If you ask me that what you know things I have faced with girls. But for today, it's just for those pupils who are younger to me, and who are the age of between 11 to 20 years old. I would just say don't fall in love, because love doesn't exist in this world at this time, at this moment. What is love? Love is like your mom does, your father does, you does to your brother. to your sister, to your father, to your mother, that is love. But if someone comes and then says, any guy, that I love her or I like her, then bro, I will just say you are mistaken. It would be your, last mistake or very dangerous mistake which you are making. You have to understand that. Why I'm saying it because as I've experienced, there is no girl who can love you purely as your father and your mother does. No one. As per my experience, if you take my experience, it would be very good for you for your future because you will go ahead in your life. Because I have seen it's not about that guy only. I guess I have seen 99% pupils who are younger or in this age, in the between of this age. I've seen this is the problem, and it is not a problem. I guess I won't say this is a problem, but in India or in the mindset of pupils which have in India of girls I am talking, it's disgusting. Girls always uses you. uh, जब उनका काम निकल जाता है तो they will just find someone else better than you, and then if you love or you think that you are loving her and that is the only girl, and my bro, you are mistaken. Definitely you are mistaken, and that would be your last mistake because I have seen many people. One of my cousins also, he committed suicide because of a girl he used to like. They were in a relationship, maybe. I don't know the proper uh, thing what happened between them, but I have listened that he was in a love with someone, and then she ditched him, and he was in a depression, and then he committed suicide. And it was my own cousin, but it's not about my own cousin, or I'm saying this because I've seen this. I have experienced this. That's why I'm saying you, and that's why I'm suggesting you don't fall in girls, don't fall in love, don't. I'm not saying that you have to, stay away from them. No, 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 not at all. You can be friend with them, but don't keep expectations, because when you keep expectations from a girl or anybody in the world, it can be a puppy, it can be people, it can be human, anybody. Don't keep expectation. If you're loving, love just because you are loving, and do whatever you can do to love them, but don't keep expectations, because if a guy or someone or anyone keeps expectation, and when people dish them, they don't do which they expect, then it is a problem. And it's happening with my one of my friend or one of my cousin. I guess I can say he's in a problem. He's in a, I won't say depression, but he's facing issues. He's just because she ditched him, and even our Indian family, Indian society doesn't accept it. I don't know why. It's 2026 running, and still pupils you know don't accept these kind of things. I don't know. Maybe लोगों को थोड़ा समझने की ज़रूरत है, I guess. But there are some pupils in villages, if you go in a village. So I was just saying that love them if you are loving, but as per my knowledge, it's just your hormones, which are bouncing in your body, and you cannot control that. I know that the hunger you have to get in love, and it these Bollywood movies, these also, uh, gives you a pump to go ahead and do the same thing which in filmsters, these Bollywood movies. I don't watch. It's useless, waste of time. But a lot of Indians does. I don't know why, and they even care about them. Why, bro? They are just actors. They are doing their job as you do in your life. Nobody asks you, but you asking just because they are famous. Most people know them. Why? But it is a different a topic we will talk later. So that was the only message I just wanted to give because the video is going longer. If you have any comments or have any suggestions, you can just pin it out. So that's all for today. That's it. Uh, like and subscribe, bros. I don't like to say that, but still, if you like the video, like it, comment it. Okay, bye guys.